If it feels like it's always windier here than just about anywhere else in Virginia, you're not imagining it. Hampton Roads is a natural wind hotspot. The first reason, the open water. We're surrounded by the Chesapeake Bay, wide rivers, and the Atlantic Ocean. Wind can travel long distances over water with very little friction, so by the time it reaches land, it's already moving fast. Second, lack of terrain. Unlike areas west of us, we don't have hills or mountains to slow the wind down. Flat land means the air keeps its speed all the way to the surface. And third, the coastal jet effect. When winds move from land toward the warmer water, or when cold air pours out over the ocean behind a cold front, the air can actually accelerate along the coast, creating stronger and more frequent gusts. Put it all together, open water, flat land, and coastal acceleration, and Hampton Roads ends up in the fast lane for wind on both stormy and sunny days.